we have here is an absolute powerhouse of a solar array system. This is the Dune 250 watt portable solar panel. And these panels put out more power than a V8 Land Cruiser. Multiple occasions I've seen these panels hit well above its rated power output. Quite convenient system. It's a cloudy day today. The missus has had the washing machine going twice, the air fryer going, the induction cooktop, and yet our batteries are staying topped up nicely. Now, easy disconnect system. Anderson plug at one end, pops off, fold her up, fold the legs down. Nice two easy carry handles. Done. She weighs 8.5 kilos, can be stored in the back of the car, front of the caravan. Can't fault the thing. Beautiful.